working on my 2009 Chevy Cobalt, and I'm going to be finishing up the trailer hitch installation by wiring in the trailer hitch with the lights and stuff for the trailer. I got this off a parts car that I parted out, and when they originally had this installed, they spliced into the factory wiring harness, which I don't like to do. I think you create problems when you start splicing into factory wiring harnesses. So I opted for the Curt custom wiring harness, and this doesn't splice into any of the factory wiring harness. It just adds to it. And this is a Curt trailer hitch, which is very nice. It has a bracket down here for the wiring for the trailer. What I'm going to be doing is removing the factory Pioneer sub, the liner for the trunk, and then I'm going to thread the wires through the trunk, accessing the wiring hole for the side marker, and then down, and then hook it up to the trailer hitch. Alright, I'm going to remove the trunk liner. Then to remove the Pioneer sub, there are 4 10mm nuts holding it on. There is the side marker access plug where the wiring goes through, and that's what I'm going to wire the trailer hitch through. Alright, let's open this up. All you have to do is wire this on the one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side, and then give it its own separate ground, and that's pretty much all there is to it. Alright, so when you look at the wiring harness, the wiring with the most wires that is also connected to the trailer wiring, that goes on the driver's side, and the group of wires that only has a ground attached to it, that goes on the passenger side. You want to make sure you get this correct. Otherwise, when you turn left or right, your trailer won't stay the same direction. So basically, you're going to unplug the factory wiring, and instead of splicing into it like the other installer did, you're just going to plug it into this adapter and then right back into the taillight. Then for the other part, you're going to put that on the passenger side. Remove the factory plug. Plug that in, plug this into the taillight. You want to neatly tuck this. I'm going to remove this body plug where the side marker light fits into. Now I'm going to remove the side marker light. Alright, I'm going to take the trailer trailer hitch wiring. Thread it through the hole. And I'm going to thread it back down here to come out the bottom. Alright, threads right through this little access area. And you're right near the muffler, so you don't want to stay anywhere close to that. You want to kind of thread it over away from the exhaust. Now I'm going to remove this bottom trim panel so I can tuck these behind this. It takes a 10mm and then push pins on the top. Oh, 10mm and screw push pins. Nice. Right, all you really have to do is loosen this thing up. Kind of tuck it behind there. Up through the back. Cut off this old one. Unfortunately, it did come with the new rubber protector for the trailer hitch wiring. There we go. Put the protector back on. Put the little screw push pin back in. And once I tug these wires from the top, it's going to kind of tuck it in there. Pull these wires tight through here. Hook back up the light. Tuck everything up nice and neat. Reinstall the sub. And that is installing a Curt wiring harness in a 2009 Chevy Cobalt. So much better than wiring in to the factory wiring harness. And this way, if ever you need to take this off to put on another car, then it's real easy to take with you. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.